The world is changing. Every day, thousands of people are leaving traditional jobs to build a business from their laptops. No office, no boss, just creativity, strategy, and a Wi-Fi connection. Welcome to the digital product revolution. In a world where opportunities are digital, one thing stands out: digital products. They don't require shipping, storage, or staff. Once created, they can generate income again and again, even while you sleep. But the question is, where do you start? That's where the 100 Digital Products Idea and Roadmap comes in. This guide is more than just a list of ideas. It's a roadmap, a practical blueprint showing you exactly how to turn your creativity into profit. From ebooks to online courses, from printable planners to digital templates. 100 ideas, across 10 profitable niches, are waiting to be explored. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert. All you need is a single idea and the right direction. The roadmap helps you move from confusion to clarity, from "I wish I could start" to "I just made my first sale." Digital products are borderless. They can reach anyone, anywhere, from New York to Nairobi, from Dhaka to Dubai. Your creativity has no limits. And neither should your income. Inside the 100 Digital Products Idea and Roadmap, you'll find not just what to sell, but how to sell it. You'll learn how to build, price, market, and grow your digital business, even if you're starting from zero. Real people are already doing this. Teachers turning lessons into online courses, designers selling templates, writers creating ebooks, and students earning their first online income. The opportunity is real, and it's open for you.